In 1927, the first black electrician was Charles Stewart. Since then, 81.1% of electricians are white. Imagine exposing young African American boys and girls to the electric field to show all the opportunities that are out there. And that's exactly what we plan to do at Connections. Here at Connections, we plan to expose young African boys and girls to a world of opportunity in the electrical field that they might not have thought of if it wasn't presented to them in the workshops and fairs that we do. This is the stats for electricians. As you can see, the average age of electricians are 41.2. So if we present this to the younger generation, we can have a lower average age, which means that it's younger for kids. Also, it will be more diverse with that too. Here at Connections, our mission is to inspire young black and brown men and women to enter the electric field and to see what it's really like to be an electrician, because you don't really hear a lot of African Americans in the electric field. The organization that we will be working with is Camp Seeds. Camp Seeds is a summer camp for kids. In this fair, we will have kids do an experiment where kids can learn how to make circuit boards and make lights light up. For these experiments, we will need 4 white wires, 2 batteries, a light bulb, anything metal, and goggles. We will be completing this service project in the middle of the summer for the camp. That way they're eased into the camp and it will be a nice smooth transition. I think this will be of added value to the organization and its members because we'll expose the campers to a different profession that they may not have thought of or they have beforehand, and maybe just a new outlook on the profession. Thank you for joining my community service project, and please help make connections.